Sit down, dear. I want to share something important with you.
Sure, Mom. What's on your mind?
Well, it's a story from my own life. It's about love, understanding, and the true value of things.
I'm listening.
Back when I was your age, I was chasing after success, just like many people do. I thought that if I achieved enough, earned enough, I would be happy. But then, I met your father.
Dad always said you two met in college.
Yes, that's true. But it's what happened afterward that truly changed my perspective. Your father was not wealthy by any means. He had dreams, ambitions, but not much money. At that time, I was on the fast track to a successful career, and I admit, I looked down on him a bit because of his financial situation.
Really? I never knew that.
It's not something I'm proud of, but it's the truth. Despite our differences, your father showed me something invaluable. He showed me love, kindness, and unwavering support. Even when I was at my lowest, he was there for me. And as time went on, I realized that money could not buy what he offered me.
That's touching, Mom.
It is. And it's something I want you to remember. Money is important, yes. It can provide security and comfort. But it can't buy love, understanding, or happiness. Those things come from within, from the connections we build with others.
I understand, Mom. And I'm grateful for the lessons you and Dad have taught me.
I'm glad to hear that, dear. Remember, success is not just about what you achieve materially. It's also about the relationships you build and the love you give and receive along the way.
I will keep that in mind, Mom. Thanks for sharing your story with me.
You are welcome, sweetheart. Now, let's cherish the moments we have together, regardless of what the future may bring.
Mom, can I ask you something?
Of course, dear. What is it?
Well, you mentioned that Dad was not wealthy when you two met, but you still fell in love with him. Did you ever face any challenges because of that?
Oh, absolutely. There were times when we struggled financially, especially in the beginning. We had to make sacrifices and work hard to make ends meet. But despite the challenges, we always had each other's backs. We learned to appreciate the little things in life and to lean on each other for support.
That sounds tough.
It was at times, but it also brought us closer together. We learned the true meaning of partnership and resilience. And looking back, I would not change a thing because it made us who we are today.
I guess love really does conquer all.
It certainly does, dear. Love has a way of transcending material wealth and bringing out the best in us. It's a powerful force that can overcome any obstacle if we let it.
Thanks for sharing that, Mom. It's given me a lot to think about.
Anytime, sweetheart. Just remember, No matter what challenges you face in life, never underestimate the power of love and connection. It's the most valuable currency we have.
Mom, do you think I should prioritize love and relationships over my career or financial success?
That's a tough question, dear. Balancing love, career, and finances is a challenge many people face. I believe it's essential to find a harmonious balance between them.
How do I find that balance?
It's different for everyone, but communication and self-reflection are key. Take the time to understand what truly matters to you. Ask yourself what you value most in life. Is it the pursuit of a successful career, financial stability, meaningful relationships, or all of the above?
I never really thought about it that way.
It's important to prioritize what brings you fulfillment and happiness. Sometimes, that might mean making sacrifices in one area to nurture another. But remember, it's not about choosing one over the other. It's about finding a balance that allows you to thrive in all aspects of your life.
I see what you mean. It's about finding harmony in all areas of life.
Exactly. And don't be afraid to seek guidance from those who have walked this path before you. Your father and I are here for you, as are many others who care about you.
Thanks, Mom. I will keep that in mind as I navigate my own journey.
You are welcome, dear. Just know that no matter what path you choose, as long as you lead with love and integrity, you will find fulfillment along the way.
Mom, I think I understand now. It's not about choosing one thing over another, but finding a way to integrate everything into my life in a way that makes sense for me.
Exactly, dear. It's about finding your own path and living authentically, in alignment with your values and what truly matters to you.
I'm grateful for your guidance, Mom. I feel like I have a clearer perspective now.
I'm glad to hear that, sweetheart. Just remember, life is a journey, and it's okay to make mistakes along the way. What's important is that you stay true to yourself and keep moving forward with an open heart.
I will, Mom. Thank you for sharing your wisdom and your story with me. It means a lot.
You are welcome, my dear. I'm always here for you, no matter what. And I have no doubt that you will find your way and create a life filled with love, happiness, and fulfillment.
I hope so, Mom. With your guidance, I believe I can.